Hello ma'am, can I take video for you? For my vlog?
Swing.
Down! Ayan guys, tumalon si ate. Ayan, ulala.
Ulala.
Ayan, this is sir. Oh, ito yung human boy. Human drone. Ayan, umiikot pa. Parang helicopter guys. Ayan. Ayan yung guys na guys. Ayan. Kasama si ate. Ayan. Ulala. Nice kuya. Eh, human drone. Ayan. Ayan. Si kuya, umiikis pa sa ere.
One more.
May isa pa daw. Ayan. Ayan guys, thank you for watching guys. Ayan, daghang kayong salamat sa inyong tanandiya guys. Sa pagtanaw sa among mga video diri sa Kambugahay Falls. Ayan. Ma'am, huwag ka na matakot ha.
Okay, I promise. 1, 2, 3, go! Woohoo!
Next! Next time ma'am, ikaw na. Di ma'am, panuorin mo na lang sa vlog. Panuorin mo na lang. Jump! Ayan. Taon dito. Guys, ang daming tao dito guys. Ayan.
Kaya nga ito mga... Ako hindi pa rin naman siya marunong naman yan.
Pag-video na po tayo dire sa Tarzan Spring, no? Paambak tag mga gwapa ba? Always like this. Where you from? Philippines only? Oh, welcome to Philippines. At Kambugahay Falls. Hold tight. Bring your legs, up your legs only, ha? 1, 2, 3, go! Jump! From Philippines also? Denmark, Israel. Wow! Welcome to Secure Island. Yeah. Oh. Ano yan? Yes, girl? No. Yeah, like this. Unit, up your legs only, ha? Like this. Don't come back. Hold tight. Forward. That's it. Hold tight. No, I'm not coming. Forward. Go. Like this. Next. Tupong. Yeah, like this. Up legs only, ha? In your legs, up legs only, okay? Okay, one. Ana! Okay. Good swimming? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!